Today is Monday. You're going to go through a review. The review is going to cover mean absolute deviation and scatter plots. Make sure that you know how to do this. I'm going to tell you right now, there's quite a number of questions on your test that ask you just basically to calculate mean absolute deviation and make sure you show your work. I would do them twice because data entry kind of causes some problems first. Here's in the data set below, what is the mean absolute deviation? I'm going to add them up. So 7 plus 9 is 16, 20, 25, 31, 39, 41, 45. So I have 45 data points. Yes, please use a calculator. And I'm going to divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divided by 8. And I get 5.625. It says to the nearest tenth. Here's this. 5.6 is what I'm going to use as my first mean. My mat, I'm going to go from here to here. So I'm going to make a little chart and do 5.67. That's 1.4 to 9 is 3.4 to 4 is 1.6 to 5 is 0.6 to 6 is 0.4 to 8 is 2.4 to 2 is 3.6 and 4 is 1.6. Going to add all those up, and I haven't done it yet, so I'm going to go 1.4 plus 3.4 plus 1.6 plus 1.6 plus 0.6 plus 0.4 plus 2.4 plus 3.6 is 14.7 divided by 8, and I get 1.8375 rounded to the 10th. That's 1.8. Please make sure you show your work and so I can follow along. Okay, same thing. We're going to add them all up, and I'm going to say the sum, and I'm going to do 33 plus 56 plus 4 plus 12 plus 26 plus 53 is 88 plus 92 plus 48. I get 482 divided by the number of data points, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I divide that by 9. I get 53.5556. And then this was rounded to 53.6. And so I have 53.6 and 38, 56, 74, 12, 26, 83, 88, 82, 48. The way I do it is I will either subtract this way or this way, whoever's larger. So I do 53.6 minus 33. I get 20.6. I do 56 minus 53.6, 2.4. 74 minus 53.6, 20.4, 53.6 minus 12, 41.6, 53.6 minus 26, 27.6, 53.6 minus 53.6, 88 minus 53.6 is 34.4, 92 minus 53.6 is 38.4, and 53.6 minus 48 is 5.6. I again do the sum. 20.6 plus 2.4 plus 20.4 plus 41.6 plus 27.6 plus 0.6 plus 34.4 plus 38.4 plus 5.6 is 191.6 divided by 9 is 21.2. Calculating mean absolute deviation. There are quite a number of problems on your test to do this. So we're going to add them all up. 45 plus 76 plus 85 plus 32 plus 47 plus 67 plus 64. Sum is 416. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7 gives me 59.4286, nearest tenth, 59.4. I do 59.4, and then I come down and do 45, 76, 85, 32, 47, 67, and 64. 59.4 minus 45 is 14.4. 76 minus 59.4 is 16.6. 85 minus 59.4 is 25.6. 59.4 minus 32, 27.4. 59.4 minus 47, 12.4. 67 minus 59.4, 7.6. 64 minus 59.4 is 4.6. Need to do the sum. 14.4 plus 16.6 plus 25.6 plus 27.4 plus 12.4 plus 7.6 plus 4.6 is 108.6 divided by 7 is 15.5143 to the 10th is 15.5. Now, you leave it to hundreds or thousands. You are telling me that you do not know what the 10th digit is, and therefore you're going to miss the problem. So, those are three problems of mean absolute deviation. Problem 4 is the same thing, and I'm going to tell you that the answer is 64 for the mean, and it is 12.5 for the mean absolute deviation. This says find the mean absolute deviation. The mean is 175.7, and the mat is 26.76. And then the next video will start on problem number 6.